I did break for Shoki. Shoki breaking feed day. You know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the late night show. Yo. Woo! How on our weekend? How everybody day? Hoping that they very, very okay. And how your weekend go? How every for some people you fast, for some people you slow, some people relax, some people still hustle. How your own day be? Hope see last, everything makes so much brain. All right, as usual, your boy Ogbolo, they here. And of course, as usual, my guy, my G on the wheels.
It's Mr. Incredible, the most wanted DJ Easy Beats.
Okay, so now you don't add all that nonsense, just that. Yeah, which one will the bounce when you come bounce? That's fine. That one. Just like motorway get this. Just like say, hey, now we day.
Now we get out.
All right, as usual. Today, Ginger Monday, not be day for so much craze and so much misbehavings. But as usual, we go first strike our modeling pose. You know, say they don't carry this thing for head though. They remind us now.
Say we not
do them. I think on Thursday or so, person talk say, "Una not do na modeling thing." No.
Wait, see,
no, do so.
We don't want to job again.
My brother, they follow us hustle the hustle now. So we appreciate all of you now. Okay, so easy bit.
Yes.
We'll knock the modeling postings now. That's it today on now. You see, on Friday night, we use.
Yes.
Maybe today we just use front of my table.
Like that. Okay.
Yeah, so we all do and we're rough and all right. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, our modeling pose for today. Let's go. You know, say, I can't do like this one time. For my mind, because what did see? All right. So, as usual, we'll carry our guard the bunch, come inside this building today, make all of us for reason together on top the inspiration and motivation and everything. Hope see somehow, it's not to bless everybody, okay? So sit back, relax today, enough talk, enough brain talk, all right? So, easy will carry and come out now. They come back, cook up the day, no go anywhere. All right. Coco number one.
Banjo.
All right. The issue of landlords, tenants, landlord children, everything, it don't turn to big case for this, like for inside Lagos, for example.
Okay.
Because most of the time, when landlord not fit do some kind of things, it's making children go up and run the parole. Maybe they go collect money and different things.
Yes.
Now, based on that kind of gist, for this particular case, what I want to talk about, so, and this one for inside the Benin, now happen. Benin. For urban markets for Benin side there.
Market.
23 years old girl, her partner landlord. So if landlord goes, okay, we're gonna go collect the NEPA money, not be bill, right. NEPA money now from tenants.
Okay.
So she go block one of the tenants now based on the daughter of the landlord. Let me say if landlord daughter, what do they call her?
Landlord daughter.
Landlord na man, landlady na woman.
Okay.
The pikin go be waiting. That is a question for you. If the man will get the house na landlord,
yes,
and the woman will get the house na landlady,
yes,
what will be the pikin to the landlord or the landlady?
Landlord daughter, landlady daughter.
Oh, you should be flogged the public. Ladies and gentlemen, down a quiz for everybody waiting for house this night. You understand? The landlord na the man, the landlady na the woman. What will be the name of the pikin of the landlord, boy or girl? You tell us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there. We want to hear from you. Make all of us for do sabi things. Now, landlady pikin now can go meet one of the tenants. Can say, hey, madam, they say make you bring your own things. And the man say, okay, how much my money? 1.5. 1.5? Hi. 1.5. Oh, 1.5. You know what will happen? I will give you 1,000 now, and I will pay you back after I come back from market. The guy will use annoyance to collect the 1,000. Do. Nobody knows what happen between two of them. 9 tenants go enter Okada, they go back to her shop. Hairdresser, and she be. As just a landlord shop, no people don't know say landlady pikin, landlord daughter, follow and for back. Now it's German for market. If you see as he pounce on top of po, not do for 500 naira will remain. Fight. Now the landlord daughter bites the ear of tenants come out. He render her earless. He come out her listening. Took away her hearing ability. He destroyed her vocal taking in.
Yeah, vocal shock absorber.
Vocal exactly. You understand? He come out it. Who person shop person ear for disciple for Jesus? Na Peter,
yes.
Peteru the learn. Peter the this one shopper. He say you no gree pay for 500 naira, my brother. For 500 naira, you come up person ear or you fix am back.
Yeah.
Or you now they give you the 500 naira now you take your money now, or you fix the ear back.
Then you be vampire.
Now you go yes. We don't say yes, you are the vampire of the area in the Benin place. Abba. People don't feel just wicked like that. I mean, you know, people need to be very, very careful about the whole level. They say last police don't arrest him after they come they find out for about 24 hours because as she just do the thing and she just base.
So you know say you know go feel it if you do that kind of matter. Why you could come out do it in the first place?
You see, sometimes some people go talk say, man, now the annoyance,
you know
now the vexing.
People
even leave devil. People say, now the annoyance, are the vex.
I don't vex, now I don't feel control myself. Oh yeah, now.
Control, they're very, very important. If
very
not,
important. Oh.
What separates you from animal?
You don't
now the ability to control yourself.
To control things, yes.
If not, you self an animal. If not, you control yourself. Animal, if dog vex, not to bite.
Not to bite.
Not to fight you. But as human being where you be, if you vex, you can walk away.
Yes.
You feel lock up. So say you say go bite. You self a dog, you are an animal yourself. So you need to be very, very careful. Control yourself. Control yourself, man. What do I mean? Come on. Come on. I mean.
God, you control yourself now.
Control. You understand me that? When you are angry,
you self-control yourself now.
You put yourself together.
Okay, now you know you control yourself now.
Yes.
Or you know they control yourself.
Yes.
And you tell me they control yourself.
Yes. No, they control myself now.
That's all.
In fact, for your bite your ear. All right, so I beg everybody, just take okay, I beg. Control things, you know, don't let anger to carry you, go do things. All right, so cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right, this one happened for inside France. Now, France, now there we get French kiss from. France people. When it comes to things like touchlighting, kissing, oh, my brother.
Spanish
they get their own, Spanish, their own day for the seduction. Spanish na seduction. They will do the they tell them and they are on the whole.
I know say you go talk.
No, of course now. I go speak in tongues. But say France, their own nice spoil. Because French people get that thing. For like kiss, French kiss, doing things.
French kiss come bro.
No, now they get them. Hey. So, but for this case now, for one particular water side, we did for the walls of castle. Walls of castle inside for northern France. Man and man. They say couple. Water dey for down. Police just they go around. Those people they take care of area. Just see 2 dead body for there. When they don't do what they are finding, they come observe say these 2 corpuscles actually go they touchlight themselves for near one of the wall.
Okay.
And for the down of the wall, now water dey there.
Okay.
So based on their findings, they can't notice say the couple that they touchlight themselves for that particular wall, and from there now they can't fall, land for the water, die.
Die.
Die. They just die. And they think
Sweet them.
waiting sweet them. You know, reach there. Maybe now when one don't reach that place. Now you hold it out. Hey! From there. Now they just and they fly. Po! Now they go open eye now. They face God like this. One on one.
Go.
Where were you last? before you come heaven or come for my gate, the cost start with, actually, now they don't spoil. But we know some people like to do adventure.
Okay.
First and foremost, for our side here, we not to do the man and man, woman thing. So more even live down on our side. So I don't want to enter that gist. Okay. You know, but the fact say they can't go use that kind of place. When near water, you go there careful. I know people no go tell you say no go try or spice up your, you know, your things. But they very, very careful. Last time I hear say some people, 2 girls go climb on top train. They take selfie. They die.
Okay.
It's in, as in, all those wire, even this for just burn 2 of them to away.
Now. Of recent again?
Now, recent again now. This was like 3 weeks ago. Recent, another set. So, this whole to make everybody, look, they careful. Even if you want to do those kind of things, you know, you want to choose some kind of place, okay, we don't have for room.
You want the adventurous.
You want the adventurous. You want to add some spice for the whole thing. Nobody worry too often now. Because they talk now. Some people now, maybe one woman, they watch me now, don't tie her husband for bed. You stay hold out. Papa Julie, you die here today.
20 shades of...
Say 20 shades of grey. Our own going to be 50 shades of grade. Tie the young man. Say, you know what he be? Say, they tie. Or make the woman come be say, now the woman go, the woman say, honey, tie me up. Honey, tie me up. And you don't know, say, for your husband, young life. And then they tie cow. They can't go tie you now. You can't do like this. The man can't go sleep, forget. You all don't finish. Because by the time you wake up now, all the bone don't mix. So, but what I try to talk, we say, be careful, I beg. This one now, their life now don't go based on adventure, what they want to go do. But adventure without wisdom will carry good death. So you have wisdom, add the wisdom, join your adventure. I beg. All right? So, finally, cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
New York! Inside New York.
Gosh, New York.
No, I want to sing that. Welcome to New York. Alicia Keys and Jay-Z. Now, you say, I talk this thing. If let's say in America go first, I don't know. American people, they watch this whole level like this. You feel that outside. I don't know. But some kinds of people, they come out from US, they maybe they really say, that they go force God end this world.
Say, just come.
They say, God always say, okay. Bros, your time never reach, but go. Because these people, if we leave them, because now, they don't come out now. Topless protesters don't take over New York and 60 other cities worldwide for one campaign, which they call Free the Nipple Campaign. Free the Nipple Campaign. What did they worry these people? Everybody come out now. They don't wear cloth. They don't wear top.
Both man and woman.
Man and woman. You know what their complaint be? They say men fit they walk out for streets. They don't go wear shirts. Why women not fit do the same thing?
Okay, after all, what a man can do.
Yes. Now it can't be their own. So now they don't say men and women equal. As men, they walk out for streets. They walk up and down. They do things. They say, okay, look.
They enter on that motor. They walk on that motor.
Without shirts. Yes. Say make women say they do the same thing. Really? I just now they call tag them. Free the Nipple Campaign.
Free the Nipple Campaign.
Voila.
This was not well.
No, this is the baffle me because when we did the talk of say Kathleen Jenner,
those ones
Bruce,
they did
their own.
Yes.
Say if you can just choose one day, say I feel like woman. I just turn to woman.
Banjo.
Or they feel like man. Just change to man.
Just convert to man.
Maybe one person can wake up tomorrow and say, I feel like dog.
Yeah.
Wanna give me tea? Cut on my hand and turn me to a dog.
Change my teeth.
Exactly. Because that girl will now go back person ear for the first gist.
Yes.
If they feel like dog.
I did tell you.
From there, she can just turn to whoever what she want to be.
One if you just wake up one morning, you just talk, say, okay, oh yeah, now, why come we not just go back to the old day before for Garden of Eden?
Make everybody the freestyle.
We the freestyle.
Before Eve go give her them this thing.
We'll just go back to that
freestyle. Please. Now that you see where I don't want to talk this thing, but our politicians will come to freestyle. Fellow Nigerians. But man, no. Anyway, they don't come back and talk their whole level on top of the whole thing. How now feel about all these gist? Especially this last gist. What I talk so free the nipple, this thing. Wait, I want to ask one question. You feel say men and women equalism You feel say men and women actually they equal? Abi, they supposed to live and say men are slightly above and women are under, but controlling from under. Now two different things. Not be say woman they under to use less, but under to control from under.
Control from under.
Abi, they supposed to the same level. Because now this time they spoil many things, so one way or the other. Send us a top Twitter as W Late Night Show. Reach for them, knock your own part of the gist. May we hear from you. All right? Easy. Carry.